Hi guys, hi beautiful people. I'm back again with something delicious and yummy as always. But before we get into it, I want to specially welcome each and every one of you to your favorite vegetarian's channel, Macoms Veg Kitchen. Thank you so much for always stopping by to watch our beautiful videos and for sharing, subscribing, liking, all the good stuff. Oh my goodness, you guys are the real MVP. Thank you so much. As you can see, just look at that. We're moving straight out of Accra to the Volta region and we are cooking Macoms Veg Fetri Toto, and this is the Kartic non-grain edition. Just sit back, relax and enjoy. For the ingredients, I have our star proteins, which is the wagashi or cheese curd and mushroom. I also have onions, ginger, garlic, red or palm oil, mixed veg spices, okra, tomatoes, green habanero peppers. Let's get started. This vegan Fetri Toto is also Kartic friendly. If you are Kartic fasting, you can enjoy this meal as it is non-grains. Watch till the end of the video to see what I pair it with. After all ingredients are washed, I prep my okra and add it to the boiling water on fire. I also add 3 large tomatoes and a little bit of bicarbonate of soda. Cover it up to cook properly. Then into my earthenware or asanka as it is called in Ghana, I chop my onions. Right after chopping my onions, I chop my ginger and garlic, and then I'm going to grind it until I have this smooth paste. After grinding for about 3 to 5 minutes, I have this smooth paste, and at this point my okra and tomatoes are properly cooked, so I drain the water off it. I then go ahead to add my tomatoes into the earthenware and I keep grinding it. I make sure I'm patient with it so it doesn't splatter. Just when I'm done grinding the tomatoes, I add my green habanero peppers and I grind it as well. After about 3 minutes, I have a very smooth paste, just like what you're seeing in the video. So I'm going to add my okra at this point and give it a good grind. I also add my mixed veg spices. One may wonder if you still have the slime. Yes, I do. As you can see, it's still slimy. So I grinded everything until I had this perfect consistency. Into a fine pot on fire, I add my red oil and let it preheat for a while. Then I go into chopping my onions and then set it aside. Into the red oil, I add my mushrooms and I'm going to fry it on a medium-high heat. Just whilst my mushroom is frying, I get to prep my wagashi or cheese curd. As usual, I dice it up into fine sizes and I set aside. I check on my mushrooms and it is well sauteed, so I go in with my mixed veg spices. I add about 2 spoons and I give it a good mix. After it has fried enough, I go in with my cheese curd or wagashi and do what to give it a good mix. I would want the wagashi to also fry and release its nice flavor. I realized my oil was too little, so I added a little bit more, and then I added my onions, and there you have it. My kitchen smells so good at this point, and you can see my grinded Fetri Toto or okra on the side. I'm just getting ready to add the protein sauce. At this point, I've tasted for salt and everything is on point. It tasted so good. It wasn't too salty, just the right amount, and everything was just balanced. After about 5 minutes, when my protein sauce is well cooked, I get to marry the two together, or better still, introduce the cousin to the sister. Just look at that. Don't mind me, guys. I poured my protein sauce, that's the wagashi mushroom sauce, on the okra, and there you have it. Original vegan Fetri Toto. Guys, it tasted so good. Everything thought. I paired it with a big bowl of eba, which is made from gari, also non-grain, and you need not to be told, sitting pretty. Thank you so much, guys, for watching today's video. I know you enjoyed it, so do also give it a big thumbs up. Kindly share this video to all friends and contacts. Let them know that vegan meals are not boring at all, and also subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, stay beautiful, stay positive, eat right. Bye, guys.